Continue exercise 4E, quadratic equation. Examine whether the following quadratic have real roots. If so, find the roots. When they say examine mean, we have to find the discriminant. If the discriminant is greater or equal to 0, it shows they have real roots. Then in that case, we have to find the value of roots, mean the value of x. But if d is less than 0, we get with minus sign. Then in that case, they have no real root, so no need to solve it. So now let us find first the discriminant. So in order to find the discriminant, we need to find a, b, c. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, c is a constant term. So in this case, when there is no number, the coefficient is 1. So a is 1, b is 1, c is 2. So let us find the discriminant. Discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square, so 1. Then 4 from formula into 1 into 2. 4 into 2 will be 8. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. 8 is greater here, so there. Since we get negative sign, that means it is less than 0, which means that this particular equation has no real roots. So if it have no real roots, no need to find the value of x. Then number 2 again, here a is 6, b is 7, c will be minus 10. So find the discriminant, b square minus 4ac, 7 square minus 4 into 6 into minus 10. 7 into 7, 49, minus to minus, plus 4 into 6, 24 into 10 to 40. We plus this, we get 289. So here we see that the discriminant is more than 0, so they have real roots. So we can use it to solve x using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula, we have x equal minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac to a. But if we look this square root, it is nothing but the discriminant. Okay, so we can write it in that way, square root of d. So minus from the formula, b we have 7. Okay, then plus minus d we already get 289. So 289 we know the square root of 289 is 17. Then 2 into a from here you get 6, so it will become 12. We spread 1 plus 1 minus. So 17 minus 7, we have 10 by 12. You can cancel by 2, we get 5 by 6. Then another one we write with minus, both minus with plus, but sign remain minus. So there, so the two value for x are 5 by 6 and minus 2. So let us see the next one, that is number 3. There we have a is 3, b we take minus 2, c is 2. So we replace in discriminant. So we have minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 6. 6 into 2. 4 into 3, 12. Sorry. 12 into 2, 24. Here again, 24 is greater. We get minus sign. So if d is minus sign, it has no real root. So no need to solve for x. Then we go to the next one. A here is 2. B is 1 when there is no number. C we have to take minus 6. So replace in the discriminant. We have b square minus to minus plus 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 6, 24. Get 25. So here it is greater than 0. We will get the real root. So we have to solve for x using quadratic formula. So minus b. B here is 1. So it will be 1 plus minus square root d, that means 25. Square of 25 we know it is equal to 5. So we spread 1 plus 1 minus. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 divided 4, 1. Both minus, we have minus 6 by 4. 2 into 3, 2 into 2. Minus 3 by 2. Value of x are 1 and minus 3 by 2. Okay, then those. Then we go to the next one, number 5. Here a is 1, b is minus 2, c is 1. Replace in the discriminant, minus 2 square, minus to minus plus, 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So here also d is also 0. So the equation will have real roots. So let us solve it using quadratic formula. So b here we have minus from formula, another minus from here. So it will come minus to minus plus. Then d we know it is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. So 2 divided by 2, x equal to 1. Then here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is minus 1. Replace formula discriminant, minus to minus plus, 4 into 4, 16. Here minus to minus plus, 4 into 1, 4. 16 plus 4, 20. Here discriminant is greater than 0, so we can find out the value of x. b is minus 4. So 1 minus from the question, 1 from the formula. So we get minus to minus plus, then 20. It is not a perfect square, so we can split 2 into 10, 2 into 5. So there are 2, 2, 1, 2. We can take it out. So root 5 remain there. So here 4 we can take common, 2 into 2, take common 2. Then here 2 plus minus root 5. 2, 2 cancel. So x equal to plus minus root 5. One has root, one no root. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. Let it remain like that. Okay. Here a is 5, b is minus 19, c is 17. So minus to minus plus, 19 into 19, 361. 4 into 5 into 17, 340. So if we minus, we get 21. Here also greater than 0, so they have real roots. Then x it will be equal to, here we have minus 19. So 1 minus from formula, 1 from question. Minus to minus, it will become plus. Okay. Then square root d already given to be 21. 21, it is not perfect square. 3 into 7 we cannot take, so we remain under the root. Here we cannot, 1 outside the root, 1 in the root. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. That remain the answer. So we will see the next question, number 6. Okay. Here the a is 1, b is minus 4, c is minus 1. Okay, that's already done. Next we go on to number 8. A here is 3, b is minus 32, c is 12. So we have to apply here in D, minus 32 whole square, 1024. 4 into 3 into 12, 144. We minus, we get 180. Again, greater than 0. So we have to solve for x because they have real roots. Minus from formula, minus from the question, 32. So minus minus plus. 880, it is not a perfect number. So if we split, here we will see there are 2, 2, so 2 into 2, 4, 55, because 5 alone, 11 alone, let it remain under the root. Here no root, here there is root. We cannot plus, we cannot minus, but since we have even number, we can take common 2 and cancel. After that, we cannot do anything, leave it as the answer. Here a is root 2, b is 7, c is 5 root 2. So b will be 7 square, that is 49. Then 4 from the formula, a is root 2, c 5 root 2. 4 into 5, 20, root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 into 20, 49. So 49 minus 40, we get 9, which is greater than 0, which have real root. So we can apply the quadratic to find the value of x. B is 7, so we have minus 7 plus minus 9. 9 is a perfect square. We can take out 3. So now we can separate 1 minus 1 plus. So we minus, that we can cancel, but we cannot leave it. Here both minus, we can plus, but sign remain minus. So we can divide 5 by root 2. So if you want, you rationalize. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. Then next, number 10 again here. A is 5, b is minus 2 root 5, c is minus 5. So 2 into 2, 4, root 5 into 5 will be 5. Minus to minus plus, 4 into 5, 20. Minus to minus plus, 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. 60 plus 20, we have 80 greater than 0. So the equation has real roots. Okay, those. So we can find out W of x. So 1 minus from the formula, 1 minus question, minus 2 minus plus 2 root 2. 80 is not a perfect number. We split it. After splitting, we have 4 2 outside. So we from here we can take 2 here. 2 into 2, 4. So it will become 4 root 5. So plus minus root 5. So we can plus the like term. Spread 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 2 6. 6. So root 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2 because 4 is greater minus root 5 by 6. We cancel. So that are the value for x. Okay. Slab 2 not needed.